As the sunshine bounces off the mailbox, our trusty doorbell camera whirls into action. Suddenly, the front door opens to reveal the neighborhood's overenthusiastic cat, flipping over a pile of laundry, weaving through slippers, and wearing a tiny chef's hat. Every swipe of the camera lens captures the cat's acrobatic tail wag and a suspiciously squeaking squeaky dog that clearly refuses to give it a peek. The camera squeaks happily, bragging, "Encore," as we all erupt in giggles. Nothing sinister, just a joyous, furry commotion proving the doorbell isn't just for criminals, it's for chuckles.